people. So this particular video I was hoping to do when my son is around, but basically we got this little guy puppy when my son was around. So let me introduce you to him. This is Sammy, and Sammy, as you can see, is he's like, I've chosen this name because he's a Samoyed. That's the breed, but he looks more of a Pomeranian, I agree. And I just can't get over how short my hair is looking because my sister forced me to cut my hair. Feeling so depressed about it, yeah. But anyway, so this little guy is after my makeup kit, this little thing. But it's like, this guy is, you could say he's 2 months old now. So it's August, right? So that means he is July, August. Yeah, that means he was born in end of June, logically. So that means he's a Cancerian. Yeah, Cancerians would. That's a water sign, and basically I'm in love with all Cancerians. I mean, and especially this guy, especially, and he's busy biting me. So really, I always wanted to make this video of. It was very unexpected buying him, but what I realized is I've given my child the experience of knowing. We even had kittens for a short while, right? But this little guy is the first ever dog we've kept, and he's quite a handful and he's quite adorable. So I'll make a more sensible video coming up, hopefully. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.